Good morning, dear students. Welcome to HEC English second paper class conducted by Khulna Government Girls College, Khulna, under the guidance of our respected principal sir, Professor T.M. Zakir Hussain. Our today's topic is transformation of sentences. I will show the transformation of sentences through 8 rules. Here you can see number 1.
চলে যাওয়ার সমস্যা নেই। তুমি সরে চলে যাওয়ার সাথে সমস্যা নেই।
Here this sentence starts with because of. So it's a simple sentence. If we want to make it complex sentence, we have to use as or since for because of. So complex as now. If we want to make it from complex to compound, we have to use and for as or since. Let's see. Compound started. Here you can see I was ill and I could not go to college yesterday. Number 2. As here in spite of or despite, it is a simple sentence. If we want to make it complex, we have to use though or although instead of in spite of. As though plus subject. The subjective form of mine is I was ill. I went to college. we want to make it compound sentence, we have to use but instead of though or although. As I was in, but I went to college. Here you can see a difference among these three sentences. In the case of these two sentences, simple and complex, here in spite of and though is used in the starting point of the sentence, but in the compound sentence the coordinating conjunction but has been used in the middle of this sentence between two clauses. Number 3. He is too weak to walk. Here, here is 2 it's a simple sentence. If we want to make it complex, we have to use so ... that plus subject plus cannot or could not plus V1. As he is, for the two we use so. He is so weak, and for these two we use that. He is so weak that, then the subject he, and as it is present form, so there will be cannot, then walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. If we want to make this sentence into compound sentence, we have to use and ... very. As he is, for this so we have to use very. He is very weak, and for that here we use and. He is very weak and he cannot walk. If now let's see the rule 4. We eat to live. Here the 2 plus, as there is 2 plus V1, so it's a simple sentence. If we want to make it complex, we have to use that or so that or in order that plus subject plus may, might or can, could plus V1. As we eat. For these two we eat so that, then subject we may plus V1 live. It means we eat so that we may live. If we want to make it compound, we have to use and it will be we eat and live. Here, number 5.
Slow.
Taking bath, I go to college. As the sentence starts with verb plus ing, so it's a simple sentence. If we want to make it complex, we have to use when or since. If it mentions time, then we will use when, and if it expresses reason, then in that case we will use since. Here, taking bath, here it expresses time, so here we will use when bath, go to college. If we want to make it a compound sentence, then we have to use and instead of when plus subject plus verb. As I take bath and I go to college. Number 6. If any sentence starts with having plus V3, it's a simple sentence, such as
Slow.
having the sun set, we reached home. Here, the sentence starts with having plus V3 set. So, this
বোর্ডের দিকে
if we want to transform this sentence into complex, then it will start with after. After, then subject is the sun. After the sun had set, we reached home. If we want to transform this complex sentence into compound, we have to use and it will be the sun had set and we reached home. Next, by plus verb plus ing. If any sentence starts with verb by plus verb ing, it is a simple sentence. By eating vegetables. By eating vegetables, you will be healthy. As this sentence starts with by plus verbs ing, so it's a simple sentence. If we want to transform it into complex sentence, we have to use if. If you eat vegetables, you will be healthy. If we want to make it compound sentence, we have to start with imperative sentence. We know an imperative sentence starts with verb. Eat vegetables and you will be healthy. The last one is a simple sentence. Starts with without plus verb plus ing. Without taking physical exercise, you will not be healthy. As this sentence starts with without plus verb plus ing, so it's a simple sentence. If we want to make it complex sentence, then we have to use if plus subject plus do not plus v1, as if you do not take physical exercise, you will not be healthy. You will not be healthy. If we want to make it compound, from complex to compound, we have to use imperative and or, as compound, take physical exercise, or will not be healthy. No more today. We will learn the remaining parts of the transformation of sentences next class. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.